Subdivision place where they call am say Dibamba just now they vex on top chapter where they come chakara some people them house even was pit where we get some sick people them for day they drive the sick people them come out as well they chakara them house no place there were plenty of the people them they fi go sleep as well Tori enter for we ear Tori too for this afternoon we go take una go for judicial police them office for Bonanjo where they don't catch other two boy them where they part for the group for boys them where it dey so they also use Samuel Eto in name and use Sultan Ibrahim Bombo Joya for side for Fumbani name for use a knock stick for people them for outside latest with the knock stick now some Italian man country people them where we hear say the choppy so they 100 I will get 100 and we get 250,000 euro where they tip am from this Italian man as we Tori enter for inside we here we go show na that boy them where they don't join their combi for that side so from Gata Tori said for this afternoon we go take una we enter for chapter 2 for thief as one I don't hear for that Palaba 2 for Corona we go talk and even this water for vex Tori for outside country where in the worry people them for Berlin they cannot start when come now for them and they take look at this Corona sick for Germany inside Donald Trump country too go enter for talk fire where in the born for day now lock up newspaper the Guardian Post breaking news and Guardian Post magazine says we go try for look waiting them two them get this afternoon big part up and the talk for we say no matter as we person a part he must to get people them whether they see him or see the same that person like pillar for their life I say no matter the way we person a part other one the day they must to look that person like person way they good for them big part up he come out now for yonder Bruno Idishidon for Wotutu for inside southwest region with the turn back small time. As we talk for now for morning time we this also continue for remind una for outside the country people them say inside every month Pidgin News e go give prize for the best big part talk for all months. So we did start that one today we will talk for now so the best big part talk e go house with some small thing that one now for give am back for people there they support Tori house for go only for before big part talk as we talk na price so you said if you start for see whether your own if you come out number one place for the moon for August. Tori for this afternoon we go start with this we're team for side for Dibamba dena for under Douala 3 subdivision as we plenty people them just now number 2 night where they go where they no get place for sleep. This one now after we according to Tori we enter for we ear they say Caterpillar the way they come up for inside city mayor office they come chakara people them house or side for Dibamba as well they Tori the enter we ear they try for talk say they so place where the people they build their house now place where they want come pass bridge on top day and they talk say na Ngomna land but sabi say the same this Ngomna land sometime will be sure for now DO we be one go make magumagu for day the DO immediately as well you see camera for Tori house DO run enter for Sosongo now it means say something it happen for this Dibamba last plenty of them where their house they just stand up they never even finish build am na Caterpillar wey come up for inside city mayor office he can chakara the place as well Tori the enter for inside we hear country people them for Dibamba they plan for meet up with the governor for ask waiting where they don't do am where they get for can chakara house sabi say they claim it dey na say na Ngomna land and they the one for can pass bridge for the same this place and the same place where the time where DO if he don't fair go for day he turn back he come back after we governor if he talks to me they left the people them for Saturday the day so just now confusion inside Dibamba one day where they don't chakara them house they no sabi place where they fit for go as so they talk for here just now country people them now so to them too they beg na Ngomna make them say they can't talk this palava from Ngomna land it don't pass people them for inside Dibamba as so they talk plenty the day where they no get place for she don't just now and them too they don't talk say they go waka they reach for governor office for Axi Sabi say we be talk for now. Was pitch wey the lookout people them for that side. So for the Bamba, Saint Thomas. Now nurse that he only come now for camp pig now they drip them where he be put them. Nurse he be talk for we say they so he be get sick people them on top bed where they be the take injection. So one they be the take drip as way they be start for chakara. The people that talk say make they comot that people them on top sick bed. And as way you see I'm just now on the people them. Now next he don't turn back for camp pick or eating them when a place where it be the lookout sick people them. So the people them say they ask now a question. Why they get for can chakara even place where sick people they should on? Why they get for can make sick people them for here but for that side so for the Bamba? Question where we say never fit for answer, but Sabi say the population he don't promise say he must to meet up with Governor Samuel Jodone Dubois for ask whether he Sabi way he don't pass for inside place where they call am say the Bamba country people them. And inside Tori for Palava for thief, we go take una enter for judicial police. Una go sabi this face them. We be don't show the people them. But we the come back na for can remind una. This boy them we una see am so we be don't first show them. But na the first group them this for the boy them where they catch am. The boy them they be the use face for Samuel Eto'o for knack stick for boy them where they want knack number. They come with Samuel Eto'o in profile for Facebook. Then after they create another one for inside, make another profile for WhatsApp. They use a knack stick for people them. We'll be showing that these faces them for boy the way they so they will do that work for inside judicial police. We turn back with the image now for say so one remind you now and for talk for now say the group it dey plenty and the tori wey enter we ear it dey talk for we say when the group if you need chop your money it dey send you for different group. Now the other group this other group for boys them where they catch them so for the same thing they use Samuel Eto'o face, they use Sultan for side for Fumban, then they use even face for other big people them for use a knack stick. You get them as well as see them so they show it for outside day. Njoya Ibrahim 27 years as well as see he be one of the boy them where the knack at stick with the computer they make face like say na they use ambassador face they talk for you say a kino story as in the give work give this so and so money now so they do am. And this other one Perfura Njoya Seidu 38 years all them two now the same group for that first group on Siam where they catch them today for that side so for judicial police all them they did not stick and do want their own war they thief money for some wine man 250,000 euro. If you get for put on for CFA France, now plenty money that when they knock that Italian man a stick, then they carry him after plenty investigate where people them for judicial police, commissioner Latte, and even the other one them Atango and the other people there they make investigate for inside that judicial police they make ham. Now so the people themselves they land for their trap. So another two where they don't enter. Now so chapter for continue for do the thing. This my own brother wanna this am so Tumba village for that side for Mr. J Donga Mantum. They don't can show it for chief. He own work na say he di waka he thief country foul them for all money backside. Yes, they say he own work na for the thief foul them. Any foul wey he lost for money backside. Now they demand this. So they talk say 99 days for thief man, 1 day for person wey get the team for catch am. Now so you don't go thief money cock. Now so they catch am one time direct now for palace for that side so for Ntumbo village for inside Misaje for Ndonga Mantum. Now so to chief in meet up and they talk and they talk and they talk. Palaba for thief and foul. The boy he don't go school. He sabi as for thief foul wey foul he no fit make noise at all. So they carry he go show na for chief and na so to all my way foul don't lost. It take time for talk say the boy my foul don't lost so and so day my foul don't lost so and so day before chief before fun for that side boy says he confess say true na me I don dey chop all that foul them na me I don dey take am then they give own casting go so na man that he been a grand frère big brother PSG for thief foul way if you can't thief foul for your house foul no go even cry self like dog foul. So now for before fun for that side so for Ntumbo village for Messager where they take you go present am. We go take una just now. We talk this chapter. Sabi say yesterday we talk palava for die body for back petrol station for site for mile 17 Boya. After we Tori House e blow that Tori, sabi say one time people them for sanitation site for Boya Council, them too they run go for day, they go commode that die body where it be already start for rotting for that side. So for back some petrol station for mile 17 Boya. No man he no identify the boy, but they meet up the die body for corner some water where the body be already start for smell. Now for this way they call them. So sanitation people them for Boya Council, they no be stay safe, they go come out that die body one time. Governor Samuel Dieudonné Dubois, he be there for outside too on Monday, country people them. Now for grave for the big chief for Sawa people them. Now for the way Governor Samuel Dieudonné Dubois, he be go put flower on top the grave for big chief for Douala people them. This one it be just a day where the member the big chief where he be don't die. So Samuel Dieudonné Dubois, governor, na he carry the flower, he put them on top the chief he grave where he be don't die since no nothing for today, but he be just a thing for honor and for member the better thing with chief he do. So now August Samuel Dieudonné Dubois he go left that flower for on top the grave for king for Douala people them where he be don't die. We go come out for that chapter just now. We take on enter for so chapter for thief inside Kribi. Now for the way they show you some thief people them too, country people them with their own work. Now for the make people them for Kribi, make them no sleep. Big commission SSF and the man with the local national security for that side. Now he show we the thief boy them where they be done the make people them for inside Kribi for no thief. Now after plenty complain them, where they don't get them for office. Now way they so they find the boy them. Now the thing that way they don't thief him and big commission SSF for national security inside Kribi try for talk say after plenty investigate they catch the boy them gun, phone, laptop, even that kunkuma in own laptop where they get for school picking them. The boy them they no show sorry out for school picking them. They go thief am again for do wetin man no sabi, but just now after when they show the boy them for population for side for Kribi country people them. Now so too they carry them for court, from court sabi say court he go judge them if their hand dirty ngata, if their hand is no dirty they go leave them. Gratango, he be there with the chief them when they come out from Wuri inside Douala here yesterday for office country people them. This Ndongame we chief them and Gratango, he be there in a small school where the chief them they go, where Gratango talk for them as this regional vote where Cameroon it go happen and small time it go be, wait where the chief them they get for do and wait where the chief them they no get for do as where they vote it come. Now for Gratango office we chief them from Wuri they be there with you. Sabi say na meeting by meeting we Gratango the make and just now with this chief them. We go take una enter for place where they call am say Kwekong, na for West Region. Minister where the lookout housing and urban arrangement for inside we country. Madam Kecha Kotes, ebide for Ketong for side for try for see and for take this low cost house where Nangomna in the bill. So just now, as we my minister cut that red rope, it shows say true. Ngomna don't take that work and now so now who they go she down for day. Now them say they go decide but just so sabi say the low cost house for Kwekong for West Region. It don't already finish and governor it already take it don't agree say the house the place it they can pay for people them for she done for day just now. We go enter just now for this story where come up for outside a country with the take enter for Donald Trump country. Sherry Valley for California the kind of fire. I say the kind of fire where it the catch just now for that side, so for inside California, now fire where it don't cause confusion for the whole town for Donald Trump country. See as we smoke it there for up, now aeroplane said that where it the enter for them for see whether it go feel for lost the fire. When I see as whether aeroplane the enter, nothing no go happen for the aeroplane. Small time the aeroplane it go try start for throw away some liquid, all that one and so now for see as we feel lost that fire. So now the work that where the aeroplane they do for inside Donald Trump country where this fire it don't work out for different side them the aeroplane it work now for see whether if you throw it that chemical then it lost the fire where the fire says it the worker small from one place to another. Sabi sef say army rescue people dem too dey fight. This one na another end wey army rescue people dem say dey fight am. So for inside Donald Trump country, wey this fire e don dey waka from one end to another. Just now we dey hear say plenty people dem dey wey dey on top sick beds, wey na this fire e don make am. We never hear whether some person e don die for this wildfire wey dey catch for inside Donald Trump country. We go take una just now. We enter for chapter for corona. Sabi say na we work, and for na for sabi say corona e dey, and na so for we for continue for the respect. Commander dem inside the whole world, 18,295,680 new cases dem wey they don't get am as of Monday will be 11 for year. People there they don't die, 692,850 people them for the whole world. Donald Trump country 155,935 people them. Brazil 94,660 people them. There were what way corona don't do am for the whole world. So it come now the percentage now 3.79%. Way for Queen Elisa, they go talk say fatality rate. It means that they were what side that for this corona for inside the whole world. And Sabi Sef say minister for sick people for we country, Dr. Manauda Malashi, he don't come out the name them for different places them where it dey so they get for make tests. For Douala here for the test, for you a day for Bangor, go for hospital for Bonamusadi. For you a day for Mboko, go for place where they call them say nursery school, Gomnang nursery school from Dokpasi. You for Bonasama, go for Bonasama hospital. You a day for Cité de Palmier where you want check yourself for corona, go for nursery school, government nursery school for Cité de Palmier. Now for the way they do the test. You a day for Daido, go for government nursery school too, or the municipal nursery school for Daido. Logbaba, if you go for the hospital, now for the way if you do the test. Japoma for primary school, for site for low cost house, and you a day for New Bell, you go for hospital for New Bell, and you wait there for Nilong, go for a nursery school, government nursery school for Bilonge. Now for the way they do the corona test for inside Douala as we minister for sick people. It don't give for Yawende. If you don't have for Yawende, where the look we and you get any of that sign them for corona, long list a day for the hospital them where they don't give them power for the test corona for man skin. We go take una go for Yawende just now. So for the same chapter. Okay, we go surely turn back. We go turn back for that one when we go meet up tomorrow. We go turn back. We'll meet up tomorrow for on top the other center them where you feel look out and bet. Make we take una enter just now for inside Nigeria. Buhari country for the first time he get small number for corona sick people them. On Monday they be get now only 288. So total number for corona sick people them 44,129 since we come for day. 20,663 people that are already well. One the way they don't die 896 as we get them for Nigeria. On Monday Ivory Coast 38 new cases now we they get for Ivory Coast on Monday. 86 people them as we una see am they well. No man he no die. 4,231 sick people them serious they dey on top sick bed. 16,220 people them na the total number since we this corona enter for Ivory Coast we don't catch people them. 11,887 people them they don't well. 102 they don't already die for Sika corona for Ivory Coast. South Africa on Monday 5,377 new cases where they get for South Africa. Doctor them for South Africa they don't already test 3,058,695 people them. Inside that number where they don't test them 516,862 people them they don't carry the sick. 358,037 people they don't well. 8,539 people they don't die for Sika corona inside South Africa. And since we the talk palava for corona, Berlin, Germany for Angela Merkel's own country, people themselves they make waka for vex for road them for Berlin. Waiting it did provoke these people them for inside Berlin. Now for Sika say according to them, the way them come now for Angela Merkel, it did look at this sick way they call them corona, them no like am. And again, Sabi say for Sika corona, plenty binet it don't fall and the ngomna you know they do no nothing. Now the things say that way provoke people themselves way they come off for roads for make this waka for vex. Police for Angela Merkel country, they be there for outside plenty for hold these people them, but Sabi say the people themselves say they talk hoa, say they no like the way with them governor it dey look out this sick where they call them say corona and the way it dey even manage the binet people them with their binet it don't die only for Sika corona. Country peoples, na just so we see country with our own kuro item this afternoon. Newspaper for we before, guidance post in the talk for we today. Say as we the big council, judicial council go meet up on Thursday. Plenty thing the way they for up. We all man in the wait for Yere to and Kunkuma go talk. Sabi say na SSF it go happen the trong dongamen. This one in the come way back council people then say they don't write complaint against big man for gendarme them. Waiting it be the problem. You feel read them for inside the guidance post. You go read Toritu for the guidance post. Palava way boy he caught Bobby for some picking. Waiting it happen. You feel read them inside the guidance post too. Breaking news this afternoon. They talk for we. Tato, Eta Stephen, he no dey again, he don't die. Waiting they happen for Scarp. Breaking news get them too. You go see that photo too for some one man with the cash am for Sika this palava for Northwest and Southwest where he know well. He dey for top sick bed for hospital, but handcuff he dey for a hand. Breaking news get order to read them where he fit for read them. For day we enter for Guardian Post magazine where he dey for outside. How and why they take win? You feel read that thing for inside the Guardian Post magazine number 2. How Kunkuma says in the fight this Wawasiko they call them say corona. You feel read them for number 2 Guardian Post magazine and even the SNH people there they look out as we fuel and oya they turn for we country. Big man where don't get plenty good thing them as we they on top that place. He too he be one of the people there they talk inside Guardian Post magazine. Number 2, where they outside this moon for August. Country, we don't finish and Sabi Seb say tomorrow we return back. Big thank you for Ledupone. Thank you too for Malis. Manadine, if it too for one side. I want to say big thank you too for Innocent Abega, where we put camera from her before. This afternoon, if Papa God help and agree, we go meet up for 8 o'clock on Wednesday. Una hold am tight.